Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious and healthy recipe, grilled chicken skewers with vegetables. This recipe is perfect for a summer barbecue or a quick weeknight dinner. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 boneless chicken breasts, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 red onion, 1 zucchini, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Skewers. Cut the chicken breast into small pieces and set aside. Cut the bell peppers, onion, and zucchini into bite-sized pieces and set aside. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Thread the chicken and vegetables onto the skewers, alternating between them. Brush the skewers with the marinade, making sure to coat them evenly. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Place the skewers on the grill and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway through. Once the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender, remove the skewers from the grill. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy recipe for grilled chicken skewers with vegetables. This is a perfect meal for a summer day or any time you're craving something fresh and flavorful. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes like this one. Thanks for watching. Serve hot and enjoy.